seem to balance being a wife, friend, entrepreneur, and remember to change my tampon.
I was the same way until I found sound effect tampons.
Sound effect tampons? What's that?
If you're a nice gal who's on the go and you can't keep track of on flow, pop in one of these when you're feeling wet. It'll make a sound, so you don't forget. Sound effect tampons. They... when they're full. Sound effect tampons are customizable, so you can express yourself. Whether you're turning off a lamp in a nightgown, at work, crying at your standing desk, or at a bar pretending you can hear your tall male friends talk. Sound effect tampons come with hundreds of fun noises to choose from. Or you can record your own.
Hey Sam, it's me, your dad. Just letting you know that your tampon is full. Why'd you have me read this? Come on. Jiminy Christmas, please, just don't flush them down the toilet, okay? You know our pipes are bad.
What was that?
My tampon is full.
Whatever the situation, sound effect tampons always have you covered.
Periods are gross.
Then you piece of fuck. I can't fucking believe this. All you fuckers think you know fucking everything. God damn it. God damn it.
You don't even fucking know.
Sorry.
Sound effect tampons. They... when they're full.
Hey guys,
Hey
thanks
guys,
for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and for more videos you can subscribe to the Riot just like by clicking here. That went pretty well.